From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you there's a game-changing hanger that's about to revolutionize your closet space? It's the Wire Metal Clothes Hangers for Standard Size by Hanger Honcho. These hangers are a total lifesaver. I mean, who doesn't hate bulky hangers taking up all the space in their closet? But not with these. They are super lightweight and made of a thin metal frame that's incredibly sturdy. The best part, they're top-rated and well-reviewed by thousands of customers who swear by them. When you hold one of these hangers, you'll notice how the thin metal bulk wire feels sturdy in your hands, and the sound of the metal frame clicking into place is so satisfying. For lighter clothes like t-shirts and blouses, these 18-inch white wire hangers are perfect, and for heavier garments like coats or jeans, you can simply bundle 2 or 3 together for stronger support and durability. It's like having multiple hangers in one. The result is a closet that's organized, clutter-free, and easy to navigate, and the feel of your clothes hanging smoothly without any creases or wrinkles is amazing. I use mine for all my delicate items, and I can see why so many people love them. They are just so versatile and convenient. Whether you're looking to upgrade your closet space or just need some extra hangers, these are definitely the way to go. Trust me, you won't regret it. Your closet will thank you. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.